Okay, this is the camera bag that I have. Show you. Inside here there's 3 compartments, and then you can also take this out and customize accordingly. I traveled to UK one time with this bag, and I put like a 150 Mark II and 2 or 3 more lenses. So like the Mark II, I put the body here, the lens facing in front. Then one of the lenses I just put on top here lah. I think I brought two lenses only that time. So like, yeah, there you go. Then here you can put like multiple stuff like batteries or film or anything. So behind here you can fit your iPad or anything. So yeah, there you go. This is the camera that I have, which is a vintage kind of look. It's a magnetic mechanism thing to close it. Yeah, there you go. Thanks.